Welcome to ProgrammingDoor. In this video, we are going to learn the operators in Python. We have different types of operators: arithmetic operator, assignment, unary, relational, logical, boolean, bitwise, membership, and identity operators. We'll go one by one. Let's first understand the arithmetic operator. So here in arithmetic operator, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division, or we call it as floor division. And this is exponent, and at the end this modulus. Okay, now let's see one example for each of them. Okay, so here first let's solve the addition. We can see we got 10 plus 3 is equals to 13 here. Now similar to it, we can do subtraction, multiplication, then division. So these are very basics, that's why I'm not concentrating more on it, because these are the things that we have already done in our schools. Now let me show you for mod. Okay, so it returned the value as 1. We can see here, right? So what happened here, the remaining 10 divided by 3, we will get the output as 3 point. So the remaining will be 1, because 3 3s are 9 and 1 is remaining, so that is the reminder we got in the output. Let's see the integer division, or the floor division we call it. So here what will happen, as the name suggests, it is an integer division, means it will give the output of the integer value only, it will not give us the decimal value. So let me first run it, then I will show you. So here, as we can see, we got the output of 3. Actually the result was 3.3, right? 3.33, something like that. But as the name suggests, it only printed the integer value, it did not printed the decimal value. Okay, now this exponential will multiply 10 3 times, because we are in the exponent, and the exponent we are giving as 3. If I'll give as 5, it will multiply 10 by 5. So we got here, so this is the output of 3, this is the output of 5. Okay, now just assume we got a problem statement where we have all the operators included in one problem. So how it will solve, how the system will work? In that case, first it will solve the bracket, the parenthesis, then the exponential will be solved. After that, we can solve multiplication, division, or the mod, or the integer division, or floor division. Okay, at the end we will solve the addition and subtraction, and the final will be the assignment operator. So let me show you the assignment also. So here, as I show you, I am giving x is equals to this problem statement. So here, this is the assignment operator, right? How it is getting solved, let's see first that, then we will run the problem. So first the bracket is solved, the parenthesis is solved, so the output is 3 multiplied by the rest. This is the rest. Now here the second at the second it will solve the exponential. So 3 multiplied by 3, as we have 2, so 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. So 3 multiplied by 9. Now here we can solve any of them, either this one or either this one. At the end we will solve this. Here 9 3s are 27, and flow division 2 plus 3. Then here what we are going to do is we are going to solve this first. Okay, 27 flow integer division 2. So the output is 13 because it is printing only the integer value, not the decimal value. After the dot it will not show. Okay, now 13 plus 3 is equals to 16. Now let me show you with assignment operator. So this is the assignment operator. Okay, let me run it. We can see here the output is showing as 16, right? So as we said here, the output is showing as 16. That's it for this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and suggest me what I can improve more. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.